By comparing different coaching techniques, you can identify which business metrics align with the organization. You can use various coaching techniques to evaluate how effective the coaching experience is. Let's take a look. Measuring the return on expectations, ROE, can be an effective metric for showcasing the value of coaching. You can start the process by identifying the key performance indicators, KPIs, that you think are important for the organization, such as growth, revenue, or encouraging leaders to build their confidence. KPIs help you to identify the impact that coaching has had in meeting these objectives. Measuring the ROE of coaching includes giving each of your coachees a self-assessment at the start of the coaching process. Using the self-assessment, coachees can rate their work performance and ability to achieve strategic business goals. At the end of a coaching engagement, you can give your coachee an identical assessment and compare the results to see if expectations have been met. The Kirkpatrick model is a globally recognized method of evaluating the results of many training and learning programs. This model can be applied when we measure coaching, focusing on recognizing if your employee is coachable. The Kirkpatrick model explores measurable behavioral shifts. Measuring human change can be a complicated process, but the model identifies some of the key factors in coachability based on 4 levels. Ask the coachee what they thought of the coaching engagement overall. Think about what skills you taught the coachee during the coaching assignment. Observe if the coachee has applied these learned skills in the workplace environment. Recognize if there have been any changes in results and productivity by the end of the coaching engagement. At the beginning of a coaching engagement, you can conduct 360-degree interviews to measure coaching performance. A 360-degree interview consists of you gathering information from other leaders about the coachee's strengths, their areas for development, and what they need to do to improve their performance. By the end of the coaching engagement, you can send follow-up 360-degree interviews to the same people you originally gathered information from about your coachee. This can be conducted in the form of a short survey consisting of open-ended questions. By documenting the information from the original 360-degree interviews versus the follow-up interviews, you can measure improvement from the beginning to the end of the coaching process. The business impact of coaching can be measured by conducting post-coaching evaluation surveys. These surveys measure the satisfaction of the coachee and other stakeholders after the completion of coaching. Post-coaching evaluation surveys can provide you with feedback on your coaching performance and help you to improve upon future coaching initiatives. For example, ask your coachee if you provided meaningful information about how they can work on their developmental needs.